Hi there, my fabulous artists. Welcome to my channel. This is Edna and you're watching Art by Edna. Please like, subscribe, share, comment, and please hit that notification button so you never miss a video so I can continue to make these wonderful videos for you. Okay, well right now what I'm doing is using a blending tool. But if you don't have one of these on hand, you can make your own. And today I'm going to show you how to make a really quick blending tool, simple and easy, with a household paper towel that you find in your kitchen. Small piece, okay, so this is what you do. Just keep folding it, keep folding as tightly as you can. You want it to be firm so it doesn't flop around on you when you're trying to blend. Okay, there you go. Simple blending, firm tip. Blend your color pencils or oil pastels or pastels. Should you need to blend, you've just created your own inexpensive, really easy to make blending tool. There you are. That's it. I hope you enjoyed this video, found it useful. Please remember to like, subscribe, share, and comment, and hit that notification button so I can continue making these wonderful videos for you. And I love doing it. Have a great day. Take care. Bye-bye.